Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Ascension Project, a channel where the future is always bright because we make it that way. The fictional people of planet Krypton had a chance to escape before their home world exploded. They ignored the seismic warning signs and found themselves stranded on a doomed world. You're probably saying to yourself, it is highly unlikely that planet Earth will suffer the same fate. That is probably true, but we have nuclear missiles pointed at every major city on Earth. From our perspective, a desolate planet has the same effect as an exploding one. Let's take this golden opportunity to save ourselves. Let's plan humanity's greatest escape before too much time lapses into the future. Let's see space as the place for salvation. Perhaps we should consider this possibility. Instead of boarding rockets and taking one-way trips to distant planets and moons, maybe we should consider building giant spaceships, live aboard them while we improve our ability to live on planets and moons. Here is why we should prioritize becoming spaceship inhabitants first. It would be much easier to create Earth-like conditions on a spaceship rather than the time-consuming process of terraforming a planet. It would be much easier to artificially create sights, sounds, smells, environments, and landscapes that remind us of home rather than to go to a deserted, lonely moon that feels frightfully far away from everything we have ever known. We need that grace period, a period of transition that will allow us to seamlessly move from Earth to other distant worlds. Spaceships will give us that grace period. Imagine a day when our beautiful minds will build beautiful spaceships. Someday we will see spaceships resembling shimmering temples high in the sky. However, they must start with the primary purpose of humanity growing accustomed to living off Earth. Those giant spaceships must be of the highest possible technology with materials that can deflect asteroid strikes and defend Earth from meteor strikes. Think of them as giant space cruise ships because they do not have to go very fast. What's the hurry? They can meander around like blimps. We only need the ability to live off Earth for an extended period of time and then progress from there. Project Spaceship will buy us much needed time to develop the capacity to terraform moons, planets, and other heavenly bodies that will present themselves for human colonization. 500,000 spaceships is a good number to start with. It sounds like a large amount, but the vast solar system will absorb them easily. At some point, more spaceships will need to be constructed, and they will serve a variety of functions. Some will be hospitals, while others will be cargo carriers. Some will be directional beacons, while others will be research centers. Some will search far and wide for minerals and valuable resources, while others serve as resort hotels geared toward recreational activities. Imagine Jupiter's red spot in your giant window while enjoying a family dinner aboard a beautiful spaceship constructed by beautiful minds. Imagination is a person's salvation. Goodbye, y'all.